I replaced phasers before I got cold due to being 120 toe a lot. So figured I'd change them out. That's what's up, Izzy. All right. That's crazy. I would never change a phaser prematurely. There's no time interval in the book. Who's this? Mythical. As far as recommendations to when to replace the phaser. I guess the thinking goes when the phaser fail, replace it. I myself get stamped on a time interval, but this is me. Okay, this is one of my doing. You don't have to. It's not nothing etched in stone or written anywhere. Okay, this is just some random stuff you heard JT say. I recommend phasers between 80 and 100,000 miles simply because I saw one fail. I think right at 80. Before I was telling people, look, man, if you got 100,000 miles and you in your valve train making repairs, you might as well go ahead and replace the favor. That is a spring-loaded mechanism that relies on the proper springing for it to function right. So over time, age, the springing might not be as springable as it was when it was new. So it could throw your timing off and throw crazy codes like camshaft sensor codes. Okay. A lot of guys, I seen one guy in the shop, he put a cam sensor on it, car came back. He put another cam sensor on the car came back. It must need another cam. No, no. At some point after 3 parts, you have other problems. You have other issues. Okay. No. Stop it. Just trying to pick your brain on how the PCM swap fixed the issue. It had to have been a driver issue, Izzy. Driver. The PCMs, the PCM rely on input data to perform output functions. Let me put it like that. So the inputs coming in, it's a computer, it's a brain. So it does a bunch of calculations. Let me calculate this, calculate that. I want the engine to do this based off the input data. So if you have now, the drivers are responsible for commanding the output. All right. So the driver's job inside the PCM is to send out the proper voltage or blah blah this and blah blah. If that's inadequate or not working, then yes. Yes, I've replaced PCM for O2 sensor heater codes all the time. Again, you have to verify the wiring is intact first, because keep in mind, guys, the only thing in between a computer and a physical part is wiring. Okay, that's what's allowing the communication between both parts. A map sensor and a PCM. How the hell the PCM know what the map sensor doing if there's no communication going? The communication come by way of the physical wiring, the connections and wiring. Okay, so if that's on point, then the item responsible for commanding the outputs, which in this case it's PCM, is responsible. God, I hope that made sense. I've been working on cars for 20 years. And I can count PCM failures on one hand. Very rare in my experience. Guys, who's in mythical? We got beat up from the FCA. We got beat up from warranty. Okay. That used to go on a lot. In fact, the PCM used to be mechanics' first guess. Now, guys, let's keep it real. Okay. There is some level of guessing going on in just about every estimate that a mechanic write up. Okay, first of all, it doesn't matter how well you go by the book. In some cases, Tom can contest to this, I'm sure. In some cases, it doesn't matter how well you go by the book. And you get to the bottom and it says, okay, replace this. You replace that and it still don't fix it. So that's why a lot of shops look for people with experience, because if you have 10, 15 years experience, you likely have seen some of the things that a new guy may have not. A new guy would go specifically by the book and do everything right. I mean, you can do everything right and still be wrong. That's my whole point. That's what I'm trying to say. So we got in trouble because we was replacing a lot of PCMs and they cracked down. Look, managers need to sign off on this. Proper diagnosis need to be done, or we're going to reject some of the claim. And all these was warranted. So we got a lot of claims rejected because when they got the computer back, They performed testing and driver circuitry inputs and output data testing on the PCM and found out the PCM was doing what it's supposed to do. So one or two things, the technician didn't report that didn't fix it. He made the PCM his first guess. He replaced it, found out he still had a problem. Now you can go on with whatever else would cause that problem. So you just mask the real problem. I've done it, guys. We all do it. Sometimes you have no choice. Okay, that's why mechanics use the term start here a lot. You ever see an estimate? They have a bunch of parts and they go, and that's just the start. We got to start here. That's because this guy really don't. There's always this slim chance that everything he just wrote up, it's not going to fix your car. Guys, nobody knows everything. You're kidding yourself if you think you can take your car to a different guy or a better guy or this, that, and the other one thinking he's going to get it right the first time. Sure, he might, but it doesn't mean. Oh, I gotta stop it. I get mythical. Yes, PCMs are rare, but I've done a few in my day. We H8 evap leaks, bust out the smoke machine and service bay test. That's what I'm talking about, mythical. Yep, do the trifecta, reduce comebacks. You can get AC stuff on Amazon for like $25. That's what's up. Dart, hear me? Okay. Everyone is Hellcat swapping everything. Yes, it is a trend. Okay, I got a truck last May at 119,000 miles. I'm at 150 now. That's what's up, Izzy. That is what's up. Oh, guys, I see some. I gotta hurry up and get to. I see some boxes up here that is very intriguing. Let me hurry up and get to these. All right. Yes, are all the Hellcat motor swaps from? You think they're gonna answer that online where the whole world can see? Was that mythical? Appreciate the reply. Craig, that's what's up, man. Give the videos a thumbs up, guys. They are stealing all Mopar V8 cars like crazy. And they taking out the engine. Is that what y'all saying? I don't know nothing, man. No, he got it from a yard with engine, transmission, dash, center console. Okay. That's what's up. Glad to hear he didn't steal it. Nice. I've seen those turn key pallets. Pretty slick. All right. My man, Car Ultimate 994. What is going on, Car Ultimate 994? How you doing? How you living? What is going on with you? How you been? I think I seen you last time on one of the last streams. Anyway, I appreciate the super chat. My man, you got anything you want to talk about? Let's chop it up, okay? He also owns a Viper. Oh, this dude got some money then. And a Ram 1500 Eco Diesel. That is what's up. I sent you a super sticker. Yes, Car Ultimate, and I appreciate it, my friend. You, my friend, is the bomb. Okay, the Eco blowed up already. Stop it, Mystical. Oh, my man, who is this? Car Ultimate. Okay, Car super sticker, man. What is going on, man? Car Ultimate. I wish I can blast you all over this internet, man. You is one cool dude with me. All right, that is what's up.